Meet the Tawny Frogmouth, the ultimate master of disguise.
When a tawny frogmouth senses danger, it freezes, tilts its head upward, and blends perfectly into the tree. You'd never even know it's there.
Tawny frogmouth isn't an owl at all. It's actually more closely related to nightjars.
The tawny frogmouth hunts at night, snapping up moths and beetles with its wide, frog-like mouth, and that's how it got its name.
Quiet, camouflaged, and utterly fascinating, the tawny frogmouth is nature's hidden night guardian.